TMZ was one of the first few magazines to cover Amber Heard's alleged bruises back when Heard and Johnny Depp divorced in 2016. Word on the street is that Johnny might be looking to sue TMZ for reporting that he had mishandled Heard. Previously, Depp had sued The Sun for the same when the magazine called him a wife-beater. Although he lost the trial, his victory against Amber might now encourage him to sue TMZ and maybe even other media houses such as Vogue. So what exactly did TMZ publish that can cause Depp to sue them? What do people have to say about it? Keep watching to find out. In 2016, when news of their divorce first came out, TMZ published an article titled, "Johnny Depp Goes Off on Amber, Smashes Wine Glass Bottle." The article stated the following: Johnny Depp threw a wine bottle and a glass at Amber Heard in their kitchen, and she videotaped it. According to reports, the video was shot months before the May 21st incident in which Amber claims Johnny hit her. Amber attempts to calm Johnny down by asking if he drank a bottle of wine.
Have you drunk this whole thing this morning?
She expresses regret for something but does not elaborate. Johnny is having none of it and appears to be out of control. After hurling the glass and bottle, you notice him swiping at Amber's phone as if attempting to take it from her. According to sources close to Johnny, the video is heavily edited, and there are parts where Amber can be seen smiling and cheering him on. According to the sources, Amber completely staged the video. The tape is also unlikely to be admissible in court, partly because it's been edited, but more importantly, because it appears he is unaware he is being videotaped. She would have to obtain his permission. As you can see, TMZ is hinting that Johnny was out of control with a video that was not even put into context. Former TMZ employee Morgan Termaine also stated under oath that the video was leaked by someone from Team Heard without Depp's knowledge. This can cause Depp to sue them given his previous history with suing magazines. According to Laura Wasser of TMZ, the media does not fact-check claims, which is problematic when someone's life or reputation is at stake. Amanda de Cadenet then mentions Depp versus Heard, referring to the amount of personal details now made public. "I don't think we've ever seen a case like this." Mr. Depp, 57, filed a lawsuit against the newspaper after it claimed he assaulted his ex-wife Amber Heard, which he denies. However, according to The Sun, the article was correct. Mr. Justice Nichols stated that The Sun had demonstrated that what was in the article was substantially true. He discovered 12 of the 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence. Mr. Depp's lawyer called the decision perverse and stated that the Hollywood actor plans to appeal. According to a spokesperson, The Sun has long advocated for domestic abuse victims and thanked Ms. Heard for her courage in giving evidence to the court. The trial was held at the Royal Courts of Justice in London for 16 days in July. Johnny Depp's libel suit against The Sun newspaper for calling him a wife-beater was dismissed. Elaine Charlson-Bredehoft, Ms. Heard's lawyer in the United States, said the verdict came as no surprise. The allegations of domestic violence were made between 2013 and 2016, when the couple divorced. The judge cited 3 instances in which Mr. Depp put Ms. Heard in fear for her life. Mr. Depp is accused of being physically and verbally abusive to her in one of those incidents, which occurred in Australia in 2015. Mr. Depp accused Ms. Heard of severing his finger, but the judge said that she was not to blame. Taking all of the evidence into account, Mr. Justice Nichols said, "I accept that she was the victim of sustained and multiple assaults by Mr. Depp in Australia. It's a sign of his rage that he admitted scrawling graffiti in blood from his injured finger, and then, when that wasn't enough, dipping his badly injured finger in paint and continuing to write messages and other things," the judge said. "I believe her testimony about the nature of the assaults he committed against her. They had to be terrifying. 2 of the 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence were not ruled to have occurred by the judge. They were an alleged incident in December of 2014, which the judge said he was not convinced constituted a physical assault, and another in November 2015, which the judge said could not be proven because Mr. Depp was not cross-examined on it." According to Mr. Justice Nichols, a recurring theme in Mr. Depp's evidence was that Ms. Heard had constructed a hoax and that she had done this as an insurance policy, and that Ms. Heard was a gold digger. "I do not accept this characterization of Ms. Heard," he added. Ms. Heard said outside the court on the last day in the trial in July that the case had been incredibly painful and that she just wanted to move on with her life. "This decision is as perverse as it is perplexing," Jenna Alfia of Schilling's law firm, who represented Mr. Depp said. The judge's reliance on Amber Heard's testimony and corresponding disregard for the mountain of counter evidence from police officers, medical practitioners, her own former assistants, other unchallenged witnesses, and an array of documentary evidence that completely undermine the allegations point by point. The decision is so flawed that it would be ridiculous for Mr. Depp not to appeal, she added. Domestic abuse victims must never be silenced, a Sun spokesperson said. We thank the judge for his careful consideration, and we thank Amber Heard for her courage in giving evidence to the court. Do you think Depp might sue TMZ? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay in touch with all things pop culture. See you in the next video.